Welcome to Frugal Insights. Are you tired of living in a cluttered space and wasting money on things you don't need? Decluttering your home can be a game changer. Not only will it free up physical space, but it can also save you money and reduce stress. Let's get started. Decluttering your home has numerous benefits. You'll reduce stress and anxiety caused by clutter, save time searching for things you need, and even improve your focus and productivity. Plus, you'll make money by selling items you no longer need. Decluttering is a win-win. Begin with a small area, like your dresser or kitchen counter. Sort items into categories. Keep, donate, sell, and discard. Be ruthless. If you haven't used it in a year, it's probably safe to let it go. Ask yourself, do I use this regularly? Does it bring me joy? Can I replace it if I need it again? Go through each room and categorize items into groups. For example, sort clothes into categories like tops, bottoms, dresses, and outerwear. Be honest with yourself and let go of items that don't meet your criteria. Consider the 80-20 rule. 80% of the time, you likely only use 20% of your belongings. Sell items that are still in good condition but no longer needed. You can sell them online through platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Donate items that are still useful but not worth selling. You'll not only declutter your home, but also support a good cause. Consider donating to local charities or thrift stores. Now, let's explore how decluttering can save you money. Decluttering can save you money in several ways. You'll avoid buying duplicate items, reduce waste, and make the most of what you already have. Plus, selling items can generate some extra cash. By being more mindful of your consumption habits, you'll also reduce impulse purchases and save money in the long run. So, how do you keep your home clutter-free? Let's dive in. To maintain a clutter-free home, adopt habits like regular decluttering, mindful consumption, and organization. Set aside time each week to tidy up and go through cluttered areas. Remember, decluttering is a process, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Decluttering your home can have a significant impact on your finances and well-being. By following these simple steps, you'll be on your way to a more organized, stress-free, and frugal lifestyle. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on living a more intentional life.